Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still seeing plenty of clouds out there, mainly high clouds, as we continue through this Wednesday morning, seeing temperatures in the upper 80s and a light southerly breeze. If we look at the current surface analysis, we have a boundary draped through the region with a surface trough off the coast, but overall high pressure in control for the eastern part of the country. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we have some northwesterly winds, fairly weak near the surface, becoming more westerly as we get up above 6,000 feet, staying in the 10 to 15 knot range through the column, so overall fairly light, but seeing our peak winds at 20 knots at 16,000 feet, and seeing the freezing level today at 13,800 feet. Right now, local radar has cleared up, not seeing that cell to the south any longer, but if we take a look at the current visible satellite, you see mainly just some high clouds over the region, and a few low clouds kind of spread out over the region as well, but temperatures in the mid to upper 80s as we continue through our morning. If you look at the short-term high-res model to see how things play out today, again expecting a slight chance of a pop-up shower storm. You'll see here dry through the morning, and as we get after the noon to 1400 local time frame, we start to see a few showers popping up. A lot of the models indicating those showers staying north of the Wallops area, but can't rule out those getting close enough to possibly issue a lightning advisory or lightning warning, and a slight chance of seeing maybe a thunder shower popping up over to the local Wallops area. So as we go through today, we'll have that risk, and as we get into the evening hours, we'll see that start to fizzle out as we go into Thursday morning. We'll see a chance of seeing some misty conditions around for the morning hours before sunrise, and then going into Thursday, we'll have some slightly better upper level energy moving into the region, possibly a slightly better chance of seeing some showers and storms. If we zoom out and look at the European model, we'll see here indicating some moisture in the area. So if we see some showers and storms tomorrow, it's a slightly better chance of what we'll see today, slightly more widespread over the area, so a better chance of that happening both here and just north of the area. And then we'll see that energy start to taper down as we go into the evening hours and into Friday. Going into Friday, it looks like we'll see our best day of the week for Friday as far as having the lowest chance of precip, maybe an isolated shower in the area, but about a 10% chance of that. So a very low chance. Should be a pretty nice day on Friday. As we go into our Saturday, we'll see some upper level troughiness building east towards the northeast part of the country. It's going to help support some afternoon showers and storms possibility on Saturday afternoon, and then that should taper down as we go overnight into Sunday. And as we go into Sunday, the better upper level forcing as well as the surface boundary could be swinging through our area, bringing us our best chance of the extended forecast of seeing some widespread rain showers and thunderstorms, possibly maybe bringing up to half an inch of some rain through the region, maybe possibly some heavier spots with those heavier storms. But Sunday looks like a messier day and the best chance of rain as we go through the extended forecast. As we go into Monday, we get a break in some of the rain activity, and models indicating another upper level shortwave swinging into the region as we go late Monday into Tuesday, bringing us possibly another round of some showers and storms on Tuesday before that energy ejects off to the northeast and things dry out for our Wednesday. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we're green this morning, and we'll see these temperatures start to rise. Around 88, 89 is what we're expecting our high today, with the heat index around 95 degrees for the afternoon, so not expecting a heat advisory as we go through the day today. We'll see light winds shifting out of the southeast as we get into the later part of the afternoon, 5 to 10 knots. We pick up that chance of a thunderstorm in the area, about a 20% chance we see a thunderstorm right here over top of Wallops, but a better chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the vicinity that could trigger a lightning advisory or warning. So we pick up that yellow risk for precip and lightning. That continues till about 1800 local this afternoon, and then as we go past that time frame, we get back to green conditions until we get into the early morning hours of Thursday. We'll see temperatures cooling down to around 72 degrees with light and variable winds, and just mainly high clouds in the area and a few low and mid-level clouds. But with those light winds and as temperatures cooling down, that will allow for a chance of some misty conditions, and we do have a chance of some of that mist possibly reducing the visibility a little bit as we go through the morning hours. But right now, tides are running about normal and going through the next couple of days, mostly to partly cloudy for our Thursday with partly cloudy conditions later in the day, and then we had that chance of those showers and storms with some of that energy moving through. So yellow risk for precip and lightning for our Thursday, a high around 84 degrees. That's about seasonable for this time of year. As we go to Thursday evening, we'll see partly cloudy to mostly clear conditions. Very slight chance of a lingering shower early, but most of the activity should be wrapped up, and then we'll see that chance of mist once again before sunrise and a low around 72, but overall green for our Thursday evening. And as we go into Friday, we continue with green conditions with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions, and again we'll have that very slight chance of an isolated rain shower or thunderstorm, but that looks to be about 10% chance at the moment. We look at the extended forecast here as we get back into Saturday. We continue with seasonable temperatures through the extended forecast in the mid 80s and lows in the low 70s. We'll have that about a 20% chance of a pop-up shower or storm as we go into Saturday, and then going into Sunday we pick up our best chance of the week with about a 50% chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the area. Could see some slightly breezy conditions as well. And as we go into Monday, we'll get a break in the rain with some mostly cloudy conditions, and that next wave of some upper level energy swinging through as we get into the day on Tuesday. So we're looking at about 30% chance at the moment of those chance of showers and thunderstorms. Once again, continuing in those low 70s for our lows and continuing in the mid 80s for our highs. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.